Sagittarius men and women will be stressed out at work. This year, poor Sagittarius men and women are going to get stressed at work. Boss will expect too much from you and you will be caught in a situation where you can't afford to say no. Stay away from playing politics at work as that may boomerang on you. You will become obsessed with work and in the process you will forget the fact that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So do not ignore your wife, your children, your mother, your father. Spend some quality time with them. Although nowadays work from home is more actively seen in practice, still the truth is that home becomes a workplace. And then even though you are with your wife, your children, with your parents, still you don't get a single minute to spend with them because the management makes you work beyond office hours. And since you are no more doing work from office, the concept of office hours has simply evaporated and you are made to work day and night, even on weekends. This is the current condition of many men and women who are doing work from home. In the case of Sagittarius men and women, it is going to be more worst, and so you have to learn to say enough is enough. Else you will be stressed and that will affect your health. Always remember, never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Work is a rubber ball. If you drop it, it will bounce back. The other four balls, family, health, friends, integrity, are made of glass. If you drop one of these, it will be irrevocably scuffed, nicked, perhaps even shattered. Remember, no one on his or her deathbed ever said, "I wish I had spent more time in office." Work, but don't exaggerate. There is a great difference between an efficient worker and a workaholic. Workaholism is an addiction, and like all addictions, it blocks creative energy. Anything when becomes too much, it becomes a headache. Too much is the only sin, says Lao Tzu. So avoid doing too much work, else you will attract many health issues and troubles with family. Jupiter and Saturn in your second house will definitely increase your bank balance, and you may also have a new addition to your family. Childbirth is seen if you are expecting a child in the coming 12 months. Couples trying for a child should definitely take a chance this year. Although you will be doing too much of work and there will be many responsibilities on your shoulder, still you will also earn a good amount of money. New car, new bike, or any new valuable possession is seen coming your way this year. Students planning for higher studies definitely should enroll in good universities. Chances of getting admission is likely. This is also a good time for lovers to get married, or if you are planning arranged marriage, then a suitable bride or groom will be found during this year. Overall, this is an excellent time to earn good money. You will gain. Many of you will also get a rise in salary, and businessmen will also find good business in the coming 12 months. Remember always to meditate and chant the holy mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Recite this holy mantra every morning and every evening 20 minutes using a Spatik Japamala, and everything will be all right. Because when you recite the holy mantra, it works on your mind. It helps you to control the monkey mind. So meditate and chant every morning and every evening. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.